Now I'm going to demo how the RNA molecule constraint is used in XRNA.js. This one is pretty straightforward. It's exactly what you think it is. It edits every single nucleotide in this RNA molecule. And as always, you can click and drag in order to change the positions of this RNA molecule. You can zoom in and note that this is where the RNA molecule is constrained from. So the anchor begins at the lowest nucleotide index, which is consequently typically base paired to one of the highest nucleotide indices within the scene. So if we go ahead and open up our menu, you can change all the positions if you like. They change as one block, so linear transformation as always. And you can rotate and you can scale if you like. You can also flip. You can color and you can change the font of this entire RNA molecule if you like. And let's see here. So if you wanted to middle mouse select the entire RNA molecule, you do not in fact need to select over the entire RNA molecule. The way that the middle mouse selection works is it attempts to start at the top and move all the way down until it reaches the entire scene. It attempts to find the smallest constraint or the strictest constraint which will capture the essence of the selected nucleotides. So if you want, all you really have to do is confuse it and select all these different nucleotides that are part of this RNA molecule. And because they are all part of the same RNA molecule, it auto-detects that you want the RNA molecule to be your constraint. And so it will select that for you. You can, of course, format all of the base pairs that exist inside of this RNA molecule. Because we're dealing with such a large structure, there are many of these. And so I'm not going to go through much of this. I'm not going to change any of the data. I think you get the idea of how this table works based on other videos. And if you don't understand, then watch one of those other videos with smaller constraints. So here we go. Let's go to annotation. And if we want, this is an instance where it's nice to have, say, every 10th nucleotide or every 50th nucleotide, which is much more practical for most purposes. But let's clear every annotation so you can see that there are no annotations in our molecule anymore. And we can change this to every 50th nucleotide is going to receive one. So it's a bit more sparse than before, but now we have all of our annotations, and this has been the RNA molecule constraint for XRNA.js.